Hello guys, today I'll be doing a market forecast on GBPUSD. So beginning my market forecast, I always like to start analyzing the direction of market and the movement of price from a higher time frame to a lower time frame. So basically, if we look at price on the monthly time frame, we can see price is bearish, definitely. So at the moment, this is where price is playing within this area. And focusing on this area, price was able to react from this zone. So since price has reacted from this zone and we've seen a bullish movement to the upside, I'm expecting price to come within this supply zone which was formed on the monthly time frame. So I have to repeat myself again. Since price has reacted from this zone, I'm expecting price to move up to this zone. That is, because of this reaction, price should move up to this zone before it gives us a mighty sell again to the downside. So basically, that's my analysis on the monthly time frame. So basically, I'm expecting price to come down here, but because of this reaction, I'm expecting price to go back up before dropping. That's the analysis on the monthly time frame. So we'll scale now down to the weekly time frame, having in picture what is going to happen on the monthly time frame. Basically, if we look on the weekly time frame, we might clearly see that price has been creating a series of higher highs, higher lows. So this was the lowest point here, which went up to create a structure, create a higher high, which create a higher low. This is a higher high. Why is it a higher high? It is a higher high because this previous highest point here, this highest point here was taken out from a higher, and this from a higher low because this low is higher than this low. Both structure to form a higher high, formed a higher low. From this lowest point, price was able to move up to this point and to break structure to the upside to form another higher high. And because of this, we know that since price has been forming high highs, higher lows, high highs, higher lows, high highs, we're expecting price to form a higher low, which will form another higher high. So based on this knowledge, what do we see here? Based on this knowledge, also we have focused on this range. And if you look at this range, price has reacted here within this area, which is still within this range, and it has started pushing up on the weekly time frame. We're expecting price to come up to this point. So I'll repeat myself again. Since there was a recent lowest point which broke structure to the upside to form the recent highest point, while focusing within these 2 points, and this lowest point plus this highest point means we're focusing within this range. So within this range, what are we seeing? Price has reacted here, it has started moving up. Then also we're looking for buying opportunities at the moment. So I scale down to the daily time frame now. In the daily time frame, what can we see? Within the daily time frame, if we look critically and clearly, we can see here that price created this lower low, which created this lower high, which created this lower low, and price has actually moved up and broken this previous lower high to form another higher high. Then now there's a possibility now for price to continue moving. So since we're expecting price to continue moving, we have two possibilities of taking a buy. Either waiting for price to drop down here and go up, or waiting for price to drop right down here and go up. You understand? So based on the fact that on the daily we're expecting price to go up, on the weekly we're expecting price to go up, on the monthly we're expecting price to go up first before even looking for opportunity before dropping. It means the week time frame, which are higher time frames, are telling us there's a possibility of buys. So we'll scale down to the 4-hour time frame to be able to spot zones. This is for example, this is a demand zone formed on the 4-hour time frame. So there's a possibility that price might come right down here to give us a buy for us to go up, continue that buying movement, and for us to continue to follow the market direction. Or there's a possibility that price might react within this 1 hour and 5 minute demand zone, continue to go up. Or there's another possibility that price might come here instead within the 15-minute time frame to go up. Since I have three zones. I have this zone which I'm expecting to look for a buy. I'm expecting this zone to look for a buy. I'm expecting this zone to look for a buy. What will I do? I will wait now for price to come. I will not just get into the trade once price reaches these zones, because this zone, it might happen that this zone fails, this zone succeed, or even it might happen that the three zones fails. Trading is a matter of probability, and all the three zones might fail. So what will happen? I will definitely wait for my confirmation setup. I'll wait for price to come here, give me a smaller change of character, tell us there's a buy to go up, and this is the same setup of waiting for a market structure to shift within these demand zones like this before I'll get opportunity to buy. So if I zoom out the chart, you guys will see clearly that we are actually going up, and if price can react from here, we're expecting price to take out all this liquidity that is sitting within this area. We have a lot of liquidity sitting within this area. So I'm expecting price to take out all liquidity within this area. So if we enter a trade from here, for example, let's just do a simple something, or if we're able to enter a trade, maybe from here, we should target this liquidity. And if we don't get this entry from there, but rather from here, we should be targeting at least here. So here's 1:12, here's 1:9, 1:7. It will depend on where price is going to react. So basically, this is my setup for this coming week. So I have to go again. Let me zoom out the chart so you guys can actually see the market on another basis. Since price has reacted from this zone, this particular zone, for example, we're expecting price now to continue to buy and move up until it reaches at least this zone. So basically, I always like to take my profits where we find areas of liquidity. So this is where I find areas of liquidity reaching. So my opportunity for me, if I get on the trade within these 1, 2, or 3 entries, we should be targeting take profits right up to this level. So basically, that's my analysis for GBPUSD. So let me zoom in again to the chart, you guys might see. So basically, that's all for now. That's my analysis for the week. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, and share for future videos.